Me I said to myself, what kind of idiot liar that? No good lawyer would want their client to spend not 1 day
in jail.
In a shithole jail like in Jamaica.
Especially Jamaican jail.
No good lawyer.
You see what happened with Cartel's health? How his health is deteriorating? And you see how old Ninja Man is? The reason why I opened up my video with that particular clip is because we talk facts over here. We talk intellectual. So if you don't have anything intellectual or positive to say, don't come over here with your nonsense. I said it in that video with me and my husband that Ninja Man's health is going to deteriorate in jail. And me say it first, okay? And that's exactly what has happened. And they're reporting Ninja Man, whose real name is Desmond Ballentyne, was attending his murder trial while he reported feeling ill. The trial is, however, continuing in Ninja Man's absence after the artist reportedly gave permission to his lawyers to do so. A witness who lives overseas is now testifying. Ninja Man was taken back into police custody on October 17 as his murder trial started in the gun court. In 2009, he was arrested and charged along with his son, Janelle, and another man, Dennis Clayton, for the fatal shooting of Ricardo Johnson that same year. They were also charged with the shooting with intent. The case first mentioned in court in 2009 and has 17 missed trial dates and 23 mentioned dates in 8 years. 8 years this case have been going on. 8 long years. I hope this man actually gets out of jail, because as you guys can see, not only Feme health they deteriorate, but also Vybz Kartel health is deteriorating, and nobody no one staying in no jail at Jamaica. Jamaica's jails are deplorable. And if you know say this man they go through this for 8 years and all know the justice system can't find him innocent or guilty, just shows you how corrupt our government is. So comment in the comment section and tell me what you think about this story, and tell me what you think is going to happen to Ninja Man's trial and his health as this trial continues. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl here on YouTube. I'm part of here, man. Me hope Ninja Man good. Me hope him actually healthy and get to eat some good cooked food from his family member them while he's in the hospital. Blessings and respect.